What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be styling Journey's hair in this really cute updo. It's really simple and really cute. Her hair has already been washed and conditioned. All products used will be linked in the description box. So first I'm going to start out by parting her hair from ear to ear. Once I do that, I'm going to part it straight down the middle to make two halves. And I'm going to be using the Curly Temple Twisted Tea. And I'm going to be applying this to her scalp as well as her hair. So this style is pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna make 4 sections to each half. I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain, so I'm gonna let you guys just watch and see what I'm doing. So all I'm doing here is I'm just gonna grab the opposite ponytail and pull it through. Y'all can see what I'm doing. This is so hard to explain, but you can see what I'm doing. And I'm basically gonna crisscross these ponytails all the way up. So once I get to the top of this section, I'm just going to do a very, very loose twist. And I'm going to pull this up into the top ponytail like so, just like that. For the top portion, I'm just going to pull it up into a ponytail. I'm going to re-moisten her hair with water because it gets dry really, really fast. So I just spritzed it with a little warm water, and I'm going to go in with more of the twisted tea to kind of polish this style and smooth it down. And that's it, guys. That's pretty much the whole style. I'm going to finesse her edges and stuff like that, but I'm not using any gel. I'm just literally just going to use this one product to finesse her edges, and that is the entire style. Easy peasy. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I think it is so adorable, so kid friendly. I did end up putting a bow right there at the top of these crisscross twists. Oh, that's hard to say. So I ended up putting a bow up there, but this is it, and it's cute. She kept this style for about 1 week, and that's with me kind of, you know, brushing it up every day and her sleeping with a satin bonnet at night. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe, and until next time, peace. Back. Say I love you. No.